Alright, so this, guys, place an order, they send you stuff back fast. So if you have not any experience with Atoms, I highly recommend these guys. Look at the packaging. I mean, I opened it prior to video just so I don't be struggling trying to open this thing, but this thing is, look at that, everything's sealed. Comes with everything you need. Comes with a nice, it's a nice t-shirt and bolts. Got everything that you need. So big props to this, guys. Awesome work. Check him out. Please do it.